Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I recently visited IKEA and picked a few things. Most of them belong to the utility category and few for decor purpose. There are many other products that I got from IKEA during my previous visits and you can find the links of those videos in the description box. So now without further ado, let's just get started with the video. The very first product that I would like to share with you all is this white frame. The size of this frame is big enough to display any art which you might want to bring into focus. It is entirely made up of fiber which makes it lightweight. You can hang it using any stick-on hook, and if you use a nail, use the thinnest one and that should suffice. You must have seen me create this piece of decor as a DIY in my living room makeover video. I created this using a floral tissue paper, which is the second product that I picked from IKEA. Of course, it's like any regular paper napkin and can be used as one. But the beautiful floral pattern on it actually intrigued the DIY kida in me to use it in a super simple DIY project. And this is what I created using this tissue paper. Please let me know in the comment section what do you think of this. Next are these chair pads. I had been looking for some cushions for my fiber chairs, and when I saw these chair pads, I immediately knew I wanted them. Just that I felt they are slightly expensive, but never mind, the quality is superb and the zipper makes it really convenient to wash. They come with this jute kind of finish on one side which looks quite pleasing, and on the bottom side there are these rubbery dots that helps retain grip, so no sliding down of cushion. Overall, I find it an absolute paisa vasool product. The very next product is this Lint Roller. It is an awesome product, but I think the name doesn't justify its job. Lints, as far as I know, are those small bubble kind of things that erupt on woolen fabrics, and I don't think it can clean that. Other than that, it's really awesome. It has a very sticky surface, and when you roll it on your bed covers or couch, all the dust and hair strands stick on it. It works quite efficiently, at least for me it did, so it's a double thumbs up from my end. You also get these refill packs there, which I felt was a smart pick because the rolls are used out quite quick. This one pack comes with 4 pieces and I think that's enough to go for a long time. The next product is this watering can. It's a lovely piece. White in color, golden handle, metal body, perfect in all the way. It's for the purpose of watering your plants, but honestly I don't find it functional enough due to its size. Though it becomes really aesthetic to water plants using such aesthetic sleek products, but refilling it again and again makes the job hectic. I purchased this only as a decor. And if you have a huge balcony or a nice garden space, you may display this as an elegant decor piece. Next are these artificial plants. This golden tin planter is also from IKEA, but this was picked during my previous visit. I can never stress enough on how much I love the quality of artificial plants from IKEA. They are super durable and look quite real. However, I would always pick real plants over artificial ones if given an option. But sometimes you don't have the option. There are always some parts of your home that don't receive ample sunlight. So, to revamp such corners, I prefer using artificial plants. Our next product is the star of this list, these distressed white wooden shells. I never had a second thought before picking them. I had been looking for distressed shelves for a very long time now. If you follow my decor videos, you already know how fond I am of wooden and rustic texture in decor. The moment I saw these shelves, I knew I wanted them. They come with these manuals that help you install your product, but in case you feel you need help, you may also contact the IKEA customer care and they would provide you the assembly as well. Also, you need to drill nails on the wall to hang them up because of its weight. Also, they give you these sticker cutouts to stick on the nail head in order to give it a seamless finish. You can take a closer look of the distressed pattern on the shelf. It gives a very beautiful cottage feel or maybe farmhouse feel to your decor. And also check out the shape of the shelf where you get a little bit of support in the front as well. Next are these pair of scissors. There's no specific purpose of buying them from IKEA, just that I needed a new pair for my kitchen and the color very well goes with my kitchen decor, and that's all. This purchase was solely out of need. The last product is this plastic storage box. It is the most useful one if you have kids at home. Cleaning and maintaining it is absolutely a cakewalk and you can use it in multiple ways at your place. I have purchased it specifically as a toy storage box. Now I would also like to mention that we don't believe in mindlessly buying too many random toys for her. That's one of the reasons why Rhythm doesn't have too many toys, and whatever she has are mostly gifts from our near and dear ones, and the ones that we have purchased are either stuffed toys or wooden ones. We very often try to declutter and donate her toys, and we are also teaching her the same. At this age, kids generally start showing interest in learning many new skills, and the same happened with Rhythm. She started showing a lot of interest in trying to fold her own tiny clothes. She started picking her toys from the floor, putting her used clothes in the laundry, and the list is long. I felt this is the best time to teach her the very basic organization skill, and we must start from toys. That was the reason I made sure that I avoid buying muted and neutral color storage boxes. These pink and blue boxes were perfect to give her a feel that they belong to her and these are her responsibility. Of course, it took me a while because, as they say, you can't teach someone only through speech and lectures, but rather through your actions. So a lot of times I did it, I showed her how to do it. However, the current scenario is that she has finally learned to do it all on her own. She organizes all her toys in the box and very well knows where to keep it. No matter how long it took, but every effort feels worth when the outcome is so beautiful. Here's a tiny IKEA tour for all of you, and this brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for making it till here. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take a very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.